on, buddy.
No. I guess they do like the watery one.
I know. Maybe let it sit for a little while. I don't know.
Yeah, he's just pulling. He's pulling it through me.
Yeah.
Can I pull it back?
I don't know. You figured it out, dude.
Oh, fire. Oh no, I feel like it's. Oh!
Oh, oh, yeah! Nice! All right, let me get the, that's a pretty good one. Yeah, leave it right there so it doesn't fall in the water. Nice job, dude.
Oh my god, it bit.
Did it?
I saw it. It zoomed in.
Oh, really? Let it take it for a little bit. Don't let him play with you like that, man. What do you think, dude? You got it?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
I don't want to pull too much.
I know.
Yep, got it.
You got it? Oh, yeah! Bring it up to the flat part. Yeah, dude. Dude, that's 2. That's awesome, man. 2 in 1 hole. I think this one might be bigger, huh?
I think it's about the same size.
You think so? All right, hang on. Okay, dude, this is attempt number 3 in the same hole, right? Pretty much?
Oh,
All right, go ahead, dude.
I don't want
Big one.
Don't lose it, man.
to. I think under that rock right
Oh, what happened? Oh, did it break it? Oh, no. All you, man.
Oh, God.
You got it?
No.
Oh, you lost it?
Guys, you know my favorite thing about that?
What?
The orange thing.
Yeah, the orange dot. Yeah. Here, hold it up a little bit. Let me see.
I think it's on by a thread.
It's okay. I think that's a little smaller one, huh? Oh, that one's actually not that small, but it's thin.
Yeah. Watch the bait.
All right.
Did you see that?
No, I missed it. Well,
I saw
yeah,
today.
I maybe got it on camera, but. All right.
Going. Got it. Wait. Where are you?
Let it sit.
Oh, yep, you got it.
You got it?
I'm waiting. Should I get it?
Yeah, let him eat it.
Should I get it?
Sure. Oh, dude! What's going on, man? Come on, man. Is that you or the fish?
That's a fish.
No way.
Can I pull?
I don't know, man, dude. You're the pro. Oh!
I came out.
All right, I'll get some more bait. Hang on.
He's fighting for it. Ah! I'm coming for you.
Oh, he let it go, right? Or is he?
He has it.
Oh, that's a big one! Oh my god, dude! Oh my god, don't let him go, don't let him go, don't let him go. Dude, that's a big one! Dude! You finally got him! Dude, that was crazy. Alright, I think with this one, man, I think we're good. I think we gotta go home and eat. Okay, now we gotta get him into the bag.
This is gonna be the hardest part.
I know. Dude, that's a big one, man. Wow. Yeah, let him sit there, dude. Don't let him flop around.
Told you.
You're right.
You thought you was a small one. You was gigantic.
I think we might have to go back in that hole, though, right? Okay, hold on. Let's get him into the bag. Hang on. All right.
Okay. 18 inches.
Nice work, dude.
You're literally dead, right? You still make.
Okay, successful filleting job. Now, Eli, you're just gonna go rinse those off, those fillets off. Not bad. We're doing it on the rocks, right?
Yeah.
All right, take them both. Yeah, rinse them both.
I already rinsed this one.
Yeah, but you put them on the rocks, so you put it on the cutting board after that. Get all the gravel and stuff off. Keep going. You hear it, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Not too tight, but a little tight. That's good. Okay, and then grab the base. All right, good. Okay. Yep, flip that over. Pull it hard. There you go. All right.
A little bit of butter.
Butter. Am I good?
I can't. A little bit of butter. Woo! Daddy's a pro chef.
Ready?
Yummy. Oh. Add some sugar. It's gonna be so good.
I hope so.
Let's see.
It smells good.
I know.
Good? Is it good? Nice. Let's let it crisp up a little bit, you know what I mean?
Well,
Is it good?
The seasoning,
Yeah?
the butter.
Yum. So what are you having for lunch, man?
Monkeyface prickleback eel with rice and peas.
That's right. Ooh, I think it's good. It smells so good. Good. Very buttery.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, show me. Good? Nice. It goes well with Kim.
Yeah, it's like the seasoning is perfect.
Uh-huh. We walked a long way, man.